Do you ever feel like you're making the same thing for dinner every night? I know the feeling. Cooking can get dull, especially when you are short on time or inspiration. But don't worry, I'm here to help. Today we are going to make a chicken casserole that will make dinner fun again. Hi there, I'm Hannah, a food enthusiast from Blogging with Food. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Let's get started. Let's start with the heart of a chicken casserole. The ingredients: gather 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 2 vibrant bell peppers, 1 large onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and a medley aromatic herbs and spices. To make a tasty casserole, the key is in how you cut your veggies ready. Chop them carefully and with a bit of love. In return, they will make your dish burst with awesome flavors. Get your skillet ready by heating up 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Toss in 1.5 pounds of diced chicken and watch it turn golden and delicious. The amazing smell will have your taste buds excited for what's coming next. Let's create something amazing. Grab a baking dish and begin with a layer of delicious golden chicken pieces. Next, add a mix of colorful veggies like diced bell peppers and onions. Make sure each veggie piece adds both a tasty and eye-catching touch. Now, for the magic touch, sprinkle our special blend of herbs and spices, a bit of thyme. This way, every bite will burst with amazing flavors. Now, pop it in the hot oven set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Wait for about 25 to 30 minutes and you will see your casserole bubbling away, the colors all mixed together nicely, and that delicious smell filling up your kitchen. And here it is, a tempting chicken casserole. Just look at the beautiful medley of flavors and colors. But before we indulge, let's add a finishing touch. Fresh herbs, carefully placed, a handful of chopped parsley and basil, provide that extra burst of flavor that elevates this dish to gourmet status. The aroma is simply irresistible. I wish you could smell it through the screen. For the complete recipe, including precise measurements and more cooking inspiration, head over to bloggingwithfood.com. Don't forget to explore the wide array of culinary delights waiting for you.